If you need to delete a Trello board using N8N, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to set it up inside your workflow. This is a simple and useful automation if you want to clean up old boards, remove test data, or manage Trello boards directly from N8N without doing everything manually. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy N8N tutorials. First, open the workflow you want inside N8N. Make sure you are in the correct workflow before adding anything new, especially if you already have other automations running there. Once you are inside the workflow editor, go to the Nodes panel on the right side and search for Trello. You can either type Trello into the search bar or scroll until you find it. After you select Trello, look for the action called Delete a Board. Click it to add that node to your workflow. This is the step that tells N8N exactly what kind of Trello action you want to perform. Once the node is added, the next thing you need to do is choose the credential you want to use. Pick the Trello account connection that has access to the board you want to remove. If you have more than one credential saved, make sure you select the right one so the action runs on the correct account. Now move on to the configuration section. Here, you need to set up what to delete. In other words, specify the board you want N8N to remove. Make sure the board details are correct before running the workflow because deleting a board is permanent and you do not want to delete the wrong one by mistake. Double check your settings, confirm the board target, and then save the node. Once everything is configured, your Trello delete board action is ready to use in N8N. That is all you need to do to set it up. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more N8N automation guides for beginners and power users alike.